Okay,
Baba, we are there.
you know the about.
And then you obey your back on quiet.
Bema.
Abago konkwai.
Where they are going to say Alata for the end. Aha, ufa ben kwa na wa de we hwan ne ho.
For back on quiet. Yeah, your back on quiet.
Onia, munidi.
I can't see you.
Wanyam crow.
Sick.
Huh?
No, I don't know. I can't see you.
Wanyam crow. Just wanyam crow.
Debbie.
Oh, Debbie, tie. Me refi man kan kire mo. Me se na ya me pe me nkate nkwan. Me nkate no, wo yam ni nyina fikọ sa na ya me mpe. Ba se di dem se ya, enu sa no on. Se wo di banku no ye den. E fa ni se ya. Na
Apostle, we hear of this.
eda wonu. Ti nkate no gu wonu sa na wo wesa. Ti banku ni di kan a na nkate no so ye den e di akire. Ha, ti mi de se ya na me pe me nkate nkwan.
Na say.
Etume bi kura, e ye se ya on. Etume bi kura utumi pose aduane no. Na nkate no se no wo tutu no.
Wa wi afra. Why?
Oh, moment did it.
Save your power. What disappointing me?
Why?
Wow.
The wolf of power. Adam, Nana Moromosa. Adam, mommy.
I got on my pebble.
One driver, Punya. What do you drive back about?
I got
Me home and say I'm trying to my romance.
Hey, come on. Che, come on, and catch an Italian who say, and catch an Italian who say, I come and say,
Maybe say you the whole them did you.
darling, break more banku. So I'm fed. I'm fed banku in the better.
What about it? You may get your name. Back up on your
Yeah, they don't understand why the granite is inside the soup, grill like that. And I'm trying to explain to them that, as for me, this is how I like my granite soup. How you used to do it for me, no? So, but they have it. So they say they are taking their lead. Tell us, someone mean the animal money can. Why?
Charlie, we ain't got to us all. Charlie, a quadrant.
Yeah.
Are you leaving so soon?
Yeah, soon. What? Soon.
Oh, what do you move from you? Why? Yeah. Come and eat. Come and sit down. Let's eat. I don't know why Ghanaians, they don't know how to prepare groundnut soup. All the time they go put on katia and fiko. Sometimes you have to leave the katia inside like this, so that the more you chew the meat, then the groundnut too. Yeah, let's eat.
I see you are enjoying it.
Every day, do my groundnut soup like this.
Give it to me.
No changes.
Are you okay?
You have toilet roll.
Easy, oh. You'll be fine, eh? Hurry, I'll finish and come.